Hello and welcome. This is the second project which we will be doing now. This is Adidas sales dashboard, and here I have used different graphics to depict the KPIs. So with all the KPIs you can see four different icons has been used, and then I used smart narratives, that is AI enabled features, and different charts. I have also used two different slices to filter data based on sales method and region. I will take you through step by step process. It is interactive and it is going to help the decision makers to make decision. So let us start.